Welcome to strategy number 2 with remainders. And with strategy number 2 with remainders, we are doing partial quotient. And just like I said before with partial quotient is basically us utilizing our friendly numbers, which are 100, 10, and 5. This keeps the math easy so that we don't have to worry. So if you're not very good at multiplication, remembering your multiplication facts, first of all, you need to practice your multiplication facts. Secondly, you can use this strategy because obviously 6 times 100 is 600, 6 times 10 is 60, and 6 times 5 is 30. Those are easy facts to remember. So we're going to set up our problem. With that being said, we're going to set up our problem. 6 out here, 323 in here. And using our first friendly number, which is 100, 6 times 100 equals 600. So are we going to use the friendly number 100? No, we're not. So let me just write this lower. 6 times 100 equals 600. So we're not using this friendly number. Moving on to our next one, which is 10. 6 times 10 is 60. Did it go over 323? It surely did not. So let's put a 10 up here. We put our 10, just like before, up here. And we put our 60 over here. Minus 60. Ta-da! And I'm going to erase that because I'm going to need this room. And just like before, we subtract. So 3 minus 0 is 3. 2, 12 minus 6 is 6. Bring the 2 down. 263. So we're going to use our friendly number 10 again. We're going to keep using 10 until we can't use 10 anymore. So 6 times 10 is still 60, minus 60, put our 10 up here, 3, subtract just like we did before, 6 minus 6 is 0, bring the 2 down, and let's do our 10 again. 6 times 10 is 60, still haven't gone over, so plus 10 up here, minus 60 over here, 3 minus 0 is 3, have to regroup, 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, bring our 1 down, 143. So we can use 10 again. 6 times 10 is 60. Bring the 60 over here, plus 10 up here. Subtracting again. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 83. So 83, we can use 10 again. So 6 times 10 is 60, plus 10 up here. 60 down here, making sure you guys can still see that. So 3 minus 0 is 3, 8, 7, 6, 23. All right, so can we use 10 again? Nope, we can't. So moving on to our next friendly number, which is 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Yikes, we can't use our friendly number 5, so we gotta go lower. 6 times 4 is 24. Yikes, that's still pretty hot. That's still going over. So let's do 6 times 3 is 18. Did we go over? Nope. So we can put our 3 up here and our 18 down here, and we subtract, making sure you guys can still see it. All right, perfect. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All right, so even if I do 6 times 1, it's still going to go over 5. So this becomes our remainder. This isn't your answer. This is your remainder. Your answer is up here. So now your answer is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 3 equals 53. Remainder 5. 53. Remainder 5 is your answer. So if you were... Partial quotient obviously takes a long time, but the benefit of using partial quotient is your friendly numbers. We can go through 6 times 10 easily instead of trying to figure out how to precisely, like with long division, get to a certain number. So like I said, if you're used to using partial quotient, which I think are a couple of my friends, then use partial quotient. Your remainder ends up down here, and your answer is up here. Got it? For the most part, your remainder is always down here and your answer is always up here. And if that's it for today, if you guys have any questions or concerns or want me to do another example problem, just let me know. Have a great day. Love you guys and miss you guys.